Topping up your windshield washer fluid is an easy task, but if you're a first-time car owner, here's how to do it step by step. Pop the hood and look for the windshield washer reservoir. It'll be easy to spot. The blue cap stands out, and it's marked with a windshield icon. Open the cap. Don't worry, it's not pressurized, just a simple plastic lid. You can use washer fluid or just plain water, depending on your preference and the weather in your area. In cold areas, it's better to use washer fluid. It won't freeze and does a better job clearing dirt and road salt off your windshield. Fill it close to the top but avoid overfilling. While you're at it, it's a good time to check your wiper blades. If they're streaking, skipping, or the rubber is cracked, it's time to replace them. When you're done, give it a test. Spray the windshield and make sure both jets are working properly. And that's it. Quick, easy, and helps keep your visibility clear. Like and subscribe for more practical car tips.